wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best balance boards. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Setting the Gabo Wobble board apart from the competition is its ability to suit almost any type of workout or conditioning through an infinite range of adjustments using its high-quality inflatable air cushion. It's also a good companion for working at a standing desk. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and can help shorten injury recovery time. However, it slides around a bit on hard floors. At number 9, the Yes for All Stability Trainer is a circular-shaped solution that improves coordination, posture, and core strength while targeting core ligaments, muscles, and joints in the lower body. Its 360-degree rotation makes it easy to perform side-to-side exercises. It's very affordably priced and can be used indoors and outdoors, but it doesn't come with any instructions. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The Carom 510 can be leveraged as a conditioning tool by athletes from a standing, kneeling, or sitting position, which makes it particularly beneficial to both surfers and snowboarders trying to maintain an edge over their competition during the off-season. It features integrated anti-skid strips. However, it does require a steep learning curve and is not ideal for very young children. To see all of our choices, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for balance boards, or click beneath this video. At number 7, the TheraBand Rocker sports a black molded plastic profile with a specially dedicated tactile surface that delivers superior awareness of one's exact body position during balancing exercises, making it an excellent choice for both reconditioning and rehabilitation. It's lightweight and easy to transport and is a durable construction, but the standing surface is a bit narrow. Moving up our list to number 6. Crafted from 3/4-inch Baltic birchwood and with a 20-inch surface diameter, the FittaFirst WB20 offers a 3-level adjustment system for quick and easy positioning at 10, 12, or 15-degree angles, depending on your preferences. This one targets leg and ankle joints and is useful for rehabilitation purposes. However, it's not challenging enough for advanced users. Halfway up our list at number 5. Experience all the right physical challenges with the versatile Strongboard SBOR-1-P. Utilizing its patented multi-spring technology, it tones and strengthens most of the body's stabilizing muscles through a variety of different exercises. However, it is a pricey option. It improves agility and posture and comes with an exercise poster, but it's very heavy and bulky. At number 4, the Goofboard Classic is geared specifically towards surfers with a desire to improve upon their sense of control and balance when out of the water. Its U-block accessory will introduce beginners to a gentle rocking motion to build confidence before using a roller. It offers a wide deck for a large range of motion and can be used on carpet. It's made from birch plywood materials. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. At a mere 7.9 pounds, the Voodoo Flow boasts a lightweight design with a narrow, concave-shaped no-slip deck that provides advanced boarders with a superior response, while allowing for a seamless transfer of rotational energy, making it ideal for full-body conditioning. It features an injection-molded rail system and is great for quick turning practice. It has a 50 to 450 pound weight capacity. To see all of our choices, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for balance boards, or click beneath this video. At number 2, built for intermediate and advanced board sports enthusiasts looking to perfect their high-impact moves like 360 flips or shove-its. The Revolution Core 32 offers a durable maple wood construction and a composite roller, both of which are ideal for extended and heavy use. It's made in the USA and offers good stability for landing tricks. It comes in a sleek black and blue coloring. And taking the top spot on our list, the Indoboard Original comes with a white wooden deck that provides both reliable balance and a blank canvas for tricking it out with your own custom design. The included clear grip spray gives you a non-slip surface and also protection for your artwork. It's smooth enough for barefoot use and includes an instructional DVD and a plastic roller. To see all of our choices, go to wiki.ezvid.com and search for balance boards, or click beneath this video.